What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am on my way to meet the cake dealer at a omakase place called OMAKASE Sushi by No Name. I don't have my helmet today. Please don't chastise me for that, as this guy cuts in front of me and almost kills me. It's so hot, and my plan was to pedal most of the way. I'm on the Chimera. I kind of wish I had my sunglasses because the sun right now is brutal, coming at me on Grand Street. So this place has a 17-course option for I think 128 or 129, and they also have a 13-course option for like $89. And I think the difference is, you know, the higher price one, you get more pieces, and they use better ingredients, some more high-end stuff on them, you know, different types of toppings, better quality stuff. So we'll probably do that. Kind of want to try to get full from this meal, unlike some of my other omakase trips where I'm still hungry afterwards. Everyone's just being a shithead right now. The guy's looking at his phone as he backs up. So this place is on Eldridge Street, just above Grand. So basically I'm taking this straight across until I think I cross Allen, and then it's the first turn. Let's see, what else is going on here? Some news. We had a big zoos group ride on Saturday, this past weekend. We had like 40 bikes, half of them were zoos. We had a bunch of great giveaways from zoos, from other sponsors, great sponsors. We're gonna try to do this every year, this kind of ride, a zoos ride, with big zoos giveaways. Once a year when we do our special jersey release. So I gotta show you that jersey, it's really cool. And I just sent that jersey out in the mail this morning to Chris. He's gotta make sure he gets one. I'm on the Chimera now. A little bit of news on the Chimera front too. I have a 36-volt commuter battery pack coming to me, probably at the end of this week. Austin said it will be etched, laser etched with the logo and some other cool stuff. He's also sending me a new set of washer chain tensioners, which is awesome. Those washer tensioners are really cool. They will give me another full millimeter or half a millimeter if I want of tension on my chain, the chain that goes back from the motor to the back wheel. Because sometimes I was noticing when I was doing jumps and stuff in the park, the chain would slap against the frame, and it could be that the chain is finally starting to stretch a little bit. And so rather than constantly jam my wheel back and retighten the axles, it might be better to get this tensioner in. Guy rides right the fuck in front of me and starts weaving around the road. And also, oh wait, this is my turn here. All right, cut that talk off, because we are pulling up, and it's right there on the right. And I will see you on the inside.
I can't do jersey. Of course he doesn't care about the doesn't know what it's like. Just know the prices. Exactly. So, yeah. But then Ocho is probably getting cheap. I don't know what it is. I think I don't know. You know what his life seems like? I think it's coconut sweet.
Cheers. Ooh, now let's trade. You like it? I like that one better. And you like this one better? Yeah? Or do you like this one better? This looks awesome. Smoked ocean trout. Foam? Some sort of foam?
It's sweet.
Oh.
Baba sushi.
Very unique. Yeah, that does look good.
So this here is A5 Wagyu with microgreens on top and also chef's secret ingredient on top.
Okay, alright. Toro taco, you said?
Yeah, with potato chip.
Thank you. Taco. Cheers. All right. Sushi by No Name. Sushi Omakase. Omakase sushi by No Name. Place was awesome. Really, really enjoyed it. Well, what's this guy doing? Go on the curb. Got a whole entire fucking street of emptiness, and he decides to stop in the goddamn middle. And now he's riding my ass. Alright, anyway, back to the review. Whoa, a lot of broken glass. So, yeah, this place was just absolutely fantastic. Started off with really nice hamachi. That was one of my favorites, and then the oyster that followed that had uni on top, as well as some ikura. That was another favorite. In fact, everything that had uni on it was pretty awesome. There was another item that was just uni on a fried shiso leaf, easily a top item for me there. And the other was a raw scallop that had some uni on it also. All the uni was from Hokkaido, Japan. Really good stuff. A lot of interesting stuff, unique stuff here. We did a, it was a fried oyster with squid ink foam on it. That was cool. Really like that. Never seen anything like that before. Sea eel. Never had the sea eel. Only had freshwater eel. It's the first time having that. It's like a sticky fatty feel when you bite it, like sticks to the roof of your mouth, and just a lot more nice flavor to it. You know, much better than the barbecue style fresh eel. Also did a smoked sea trout. Never had a sea trout before, only had the fresh. That was great too. Shit, man, what else? There's so many good items. Oh yeah, I think my ultimate favorite was probably the Wagyu. It was torched and topped with like some microgreens and the chef's special ingredient, which when he asked if we knew what it was, I guessed it right. Well, I said like some sort of dry aged beef fat powder. It was just Wagyu, powderized Wagyu beef fat. It was delicious. It did have a nice aged flavor though. Definitely tasted dry aged. So yeah, I'm full. I'm not gonna snack. I'm not gonna, you know, mess around with any other items to eat today. Like a lot of times I go to OMAKASE and I'm still hungry afterwards. This 17 course jam turned out to be a winner. And I think for me, this is probably my new favorite, especially in this area down in the Lower East Side. There's nothing better that I've had. It was just, every piece was just fantastic. Really, really good. So give this place a shot. Jump out to the website, johnnycrimesteaks.com. Read the full review, the full write-up, everything with all the pictures. And as usual, make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.